This short video introduces books 3 and 4 in SynRJ's exciting new Restorative and Relational Processes in Action book series. Titled Broken Windscreen, a Restorative Story, written for ages 11 to 18, these two books consist of a student workbook together with a detailed step-by-step teacher's guide to its delivery. I will pause here while a few of the main characters tell you a little more about their story. Built around an engaging restorative story about an incident of wrongdoing and the restorative meeting held to address it, the student workbook is broken down into two parts. Part 1 is designed to introduce children and young people to the general concept of restorative and relational processes, or RP for short. Part 2 deepens this understanding by introducing the key elements of RP appropriate to the age range. Although not essential, SynRJ recommend most staff are trained to deliver RP at an informal level prior to the rollout of the workbooks to students. The 11 to 18 workbook is also suitable for use by adults, so makes a great resource for parents, governors, trustees, and other staff too. The whole series is designed to introduce restorative and relational processes to students in a user-friendly and very practical way. The student workbooks are designed to be used in conjunction with the appropriate matching teacher's guides, which come complete with several downloadable resources including presentations and role plays. To find out more about all of the books in the series, to take a peek inside each book and to order, go to our website or follow the links in the post, tweet or YouTube description below this video. Thank you, and we wish you well on your own restorative journey.